It'd be pretty cool if this house had gutters, which I'm about to show you. House is the edge of the roof here, right there. And it just kind of does that, and then creates a huge puddle down there every time we have a large storm like this. And if it's really bad like it is now, there's, in the wind, this bush here gets beat up like that. So it doesn't help on top of it to have this going on here. This spouting issue. Boy, if there was gutters here, just imagine the amount of water that would be coming out of the little spigot at the little pipe at the bottom.